Hello and welcome to Minute to Master, where you can master a skill in 60 seconds or less. Today's topic is adding reminders to your notes in Google Keep. So let's get started. Google Keep has 5 options for reminders. Now, to access your reminders, you go over the note that you'd like to set up reminders for, and in the far left-hand corner is a little icon. It's a bell with a plus sign on it, and it says Remind Me. So when you click on that, a little menu drops down, and here are the 5 different types of reminders. You can either get reminded of something of this on this note later today, tomorrow, next week. You can pick a date and time, or you can do pick a place. Pick a place is kind of cool because it's location based. Now you do have to have location services turned on, but this is a situation where you type in an address. Let's say, for example, we type in Google. So the next time we pass by the Google Amphitheater Parkway in Mountain View, California, our Google Note will give us a reminder. But that's it. That's how you set up reminders.